Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Age problem. Okay, so let's take a look. In 12 years, Yale will be twice as old as Jean. Find Yale's present age if he is 6 times as old as Jean now. Papakita ko muna yung shortcut approach, then bago papakita yung algebra approach. So, you have two information here. First is about in 12 years, and second, it's about the present age. Where do you start? Normally, you start from the present. Mas madaling i-maneuver papunta sa future or papunta sa past. Yale is 6 times as old as Jean now. How do we represent that using blocks? Kung sabihin natin si Yale, ito naman si Jean, ito yung age ni Jean, then si Yale, 6 times na ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan yung present age. Now, if you look at it in 12 years time, Yale will be twice as old as Jean. Kung ito yung present, ano yung itsura naman nila in 12 years time? They will just grow old by
12 years.
12 years, right? Ang sinasabi dito that Yale will be twice as old as Jean. Ibig sabihin, etong haba na ito should be twice of this. Parang ganito yung lalabas dapat. Twice na ito, magiging ganito. Let's make a comparison. Para ka ng elimination lang. Di ba? This is 12, and this is 12. Ito isang box, ito isang box. May isang box pa dito, tanggal natin another box. So, ngayon, dapat magparehas pa rin sila. 4 boxes is equivalent to 12. Each box, therefore, will be equivalent to
3.
3. Now, ang tinatanong niya dito is Yale's present age. Itong 6 na boxes. 3 times 6, 18. Kaya ang sagot natin dito is 18. Now, pag sa algebra, very crucial will be the number of timeline and the number of people involved. In this problem, you have 2 timelines. One is in 12 years, the other is the present. From the past to the present to the future. So, mauna si present, say now. Sunod ay in 12 years. We can say simply plus 12 years. So, there are 2 people here, Yale and Jean. Dito na dito para yung mga students. They have 2 information presented here. Ang ginagawa nila normally, first information, pasok. Second information, pasok ulit. Pagkatapos, ano na ba gagawin ko next? That's a big no-no. What we have to do is that you only use one of the 2 information to set up this table. And once you set the table, you use the other information for the equation. Kunyari, sabihin natin na, let's use the second information here for our table. He is 6 times as old as Jean now. So if X is the age of Jean, Yale will be 6X. How do you fill the remaining blanks here? In 12 years time, what will be the age of Jean?
X plus 12.
X. And then Yale will be
6x plus 12.
Now that we have the table with using one information, then we use the other information to set up the equation. 12 years, Yale will be twice as old as Jean. So that means the age of Yale in 12 years time is twice the age of Jean in 12 years. Now, ano ba yung age ni Yale in 12 years?
6x plus 12.
Plus 12. How about for Jean?
X plus 12.
Okay. Now that we have the equation, we can just simplify this and solve for your x. Still 6x plus 12 on the left side. This is now
2x plus 24.
Okay, very good. All those with x to the left side, all those constant to the right side. So this will now become 6x minus 2x, which will give us 4x. 24 minus 12 will give us
12.
so x therefore is
3.
Now that we know x is 3, don't rush. Hala, what wala si 3 dito? Nagpapanik na. Actually, pasalamat kayo wala si 3 dito. Kasi pag nandiyan si 3, ay, yun ang sagot ko.
Oh, no.
Pagkatapos ng test, pag nag-compare ng answer, oops. Remember to check what is being asked. Yale's present age is represented by 6x. So 6 times 3 or 18. So the answer here again is letter B, 18.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCA.